In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a filled map with a pie chart overlay in Tableau desktop. We'll go through this step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process so you can replicate it with your own data. Let's get started. First, open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you have it installed and ready on your computer. Once Tableau is up and running, access your worksheet. This is where you'll be working and where all the magic happens. Next, double-click on the field for state in your data pane. This action automatically generates a map view showing all the states in your data set. Now, to provide more context, drag the country field to the text shelf. This will add labels to your map, helping you identify each area more clearly. Switching views can really enhance clarity, so let's change our current view to a map view. To do this, find the drop-down menu in the marks card and select the map option. Now our states should be clearly represented on the map. To give our map more depth, drag the quantity field to the color shelf. Doing so will fill each state with a color based on quantity, providing a visual representation of how data varies across different regions. To add another layer to our visualization, we need a second axis. Start by dragging the latitude field to the row shelf. This action duplicates the map, giving us a second axis to work with. Now, let's turn our attention to the second axis. Change the second marks card's drop-down menu to a pie chart. Select the pie option from the list. This change converts our second map into a pie chart view, laying the groundwork for our overlay. With the pie chart in place, move the country field to the details shelf. This ensures that each section of the pie chart is specific to a country within your dataset. Next, grab the quantity field again, but this time drag it to the angles shelf. This placement will adjust the angles in the pie chart based on quantity, allowing you to visualize proportionate data effectively. To refine our pie chart, take the quantity field once more and drag it to the size shelf. This step controls the size of each pie slice depending on the data, making differences more apparent at a glance. To add more depth to your chart, drag the category field to the color shelf of your pie chart. This action assigns different colors to each category, making it easier to differentiate between them visually. Don't forget to adjust the size of your pie chart. Increase the size so that it's large enough to see all details clearly. Now you're ready to combine your two visual elements. To do this, click the drop-down menu on the second latitude field and select Dual Axis. This action overlays the pie chart onto the map, creating a composite visual that's rich with information. And there you have it, a filled map with a pie chart overlay, all created in Tableau Desktop.